is like a weapon, setting a trap for me to step in. Lift my chin and stretch my lips, from frown to smile, stick to my scripts. Voice happy in my mind, hold my tears for the deaf and blind. For if I step out of line, wobble or spill wine, I'll be fed to the dogs. It's feeding time. I won't be just Jester. I have tried to pocket past one last time I'm gonna fight. One last time I'm gonna fight. I won't be every bead of sweat starts to glisten. All of my jury doesn't bother to listen until one says